Advion ant and cockroach gel baits contain a non-repellent active ingredient called Indoxacarb, which causes a delay in cockroach and ant mortality. This delayed mortality is key, as it allows the insect to consume the bait and return to its harbourage site, or colony, to contaminate other cockroaches and ants before dying. With cockroaches, this occurs through the live cockroaches, feeding off the feces, secretions, and even the remains of the dead cockroaches in the harbourage, leading to additional control. Due to the behaviour patterns of cockroaches, Advion cockroach gel bait can even be further transferred to a third group of roaches by the same mechanism as described above, and which is then called tertiary kill. Only Advion cockroach gel bait has demonstrated this effect, leading to more thorough control. Ants, in contrast to cockroaches, feed actively with their colony members. The worker ants forage for food and store it in their social stomach, which is later regurgitated and distributed to other hungry nest mates. The process of sharing liquid food in this way is called trophallaxis. Both mechanisms, the active feeding of the ants and the indirect feeding in the cockroach harbourage, are known as horizontal transfer, resulting in secondary kill of the cockroaches and ants who do not typically go out and forage. The horizontal transfer resulting in secondary, ants and cockroaches, and tertiary kill, cockroaches only, caused by Advion ant and cockroach gel baits, result in superior pest control.